What we got going on here?
We got a 2022 hybrid. What is this? Capstone Toyota pickup. Top of the line, best on his class, award-winning. Like a dream come true, Santos.
Oh yeah.
Oh shit.
He's gonna crash it already.
Fire it up. I don't care and I don't mind, because we're gonna end up taking this all the way to over there and then for it not to work. But I'm telling you that the head is, right now the only reason why is because it's not getting up to temperature. Because this thing, it starts to blow all this stuff out at 180. Right now we're at 130 and we can't pass 130. We can't get it any hotter. I mean, you can run it like that, there's nothing wrong with it, but you're gonna have to constantly be putting water in it, because it's gonna lose it. Yeah. The pressure is not overheating it, but the pressure that is coming into it is still making the cap open. And the cap should hold about 16 psi. Yeah. So when it seats more than that, it just opens up for the pressure to come out.
Well, it could be the head, maybe the gasket only.
Yeah. But we don't know that. And the reason why, like, every time we quote a head job, we quote it with the new head, because once we take the head out and take it to the machinist, he'll tell us, oh, this head is good or this head is bad. Okay. But by that time, you already have a price of whatever the head is new, and if we are able, then we'll take the residual, you know, the residual and just add it to, or minus it from your bill.
So how long that would take?
It depends on the machine shop. A lot of I've seen heads turn around in 2 days. I've seen heads come back in 2 weeks.
3 months. No.
I mean, and
can't wait that long. Just put everything.
Okay, so what do we want to do? Put it back together?
Yeah, just put it back together.
These lines, these metal lines will go into the arms. So once these things hit a certain angle, they started killing the machine. We have a positive cable going here that's going to the front of the machine. And so when we're moving the arms up, these lines were moving and creating contact. So I think it created a short to ground and caused the motor to die. So I'm gonna try to, well, I already did. I moved the cable from in between those lines to see, hopefully it'll stop our engine from dying. We're gonna revert this back, throw the air cleaner back on, and then see if that fixed the problem. I'm gonna weld a bushing inside here to try to restore this hole. Something that you shouldn't do. You know, this thing is all wear out all the way around, so it needs replacement. But he wants to do a Mickey Mouse. I don't want to do it, but
yeah, this ain't Disneyland, bro.
Yeah,
no Mickey Mouse in here.
That one has had a lot of pieces of metal in there. This one doesn't have anything. And since we're not welding here, we don't need to clean this hole. So this fits really snug here, and then the bushing is supposed to fit snug here. So now, since it's not snug, we're gonna set it in here and we're gonna weld it around. Perfect, huh? We'll get it done.
Precision.
Get this machine out of here. Get our monies. Just trying to pretty much figure out where or how far I can weld that joint, if I can, which I think could be a good idea because the less plate we have here on the Bob-Tach, it'll be better so this thing is not slapping around. Four and an eighth. So I can get a piece and then clamp this two together. It'll give me where to tack this thing in place and it's straight to the Bob-Tach. I think that that's gonna be able to weld on there and get the job done.
Let's do it.
Let's see. We need to weld about a 3/8 of an inch thickness for 75. It works. See that? If I weld it out in here, it's a better weld.
It's clear, leaning on your desk construction. Taste me, you will see. More is all you need. Dedicated to how I'm feeling you.
Even if this thing gets locked on, we can pull it with the bolt.
Controlling faster. Obey your master. Your life burns faster. Obey your master. Master. Master of puppets are pulling your strings. Twisting your mind and smashing your dreams. Blinded by me, you can't see a thing. Just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master. Master. Just call my name 'cause I hear you scream. Master. Master. Need to work the way.
Is it gonna work? We'll see. Said, Richie, take a look at my hole. What a nice hole. Look, it's nice and round. There is no more damage.
Taste me, you will see. More is all you need. Dedicated to how I'm feeling you. Controlling faster. Obey your master. Your life burns faster. Obey your master. Master.
Now we are out of grease.
Of course.